Hi guys, in this session you are going to learn about update statement. Definition is replace the observations of variables in one dataset with observations from another dataset. For explain about update, I am creating two dataset with the missing values. That is, first one is demo and the variables are name, mass, science and social. And here the names are Rahul, Ravan, Rahim, Rakul, Rajiv. And the next dataset is name is dummy and the same variables and I am adding another variable Telugu here. And now what is update do? It replaces the observations of variables in one dataset with observations from another dataset. Here we have a missing values, right? Yes. Now, when we using update statement, instead of this missing values, same values at that particular variable will be replaced. What does that mean here? Here missing value is there in Rahul social subject. Here what are the social subject marks is the 41. And when we do update, this missing value will be replaced by the 41. And here in the science, Ravan got missing value and the value is 21. And when we use the update statement, this missing value will be replaced by the 21. And before going to use update statement, we have to do sorting. Why? Because we are update in the by level. When we use the by statement, we have to sorting those by variable. For that, proxor data equals to demo, I am sorting by the name and run. And before that, first we have to run these two data sets, demo and dummy. Both are created. Here demo don't have any missing values. In the dummy, we have a missing values and extra variable. And the next one, data dummy by name and run. Now we run the sorting successful, procedure sort. Now we do update on this variable. Then how it will be? I created another dataset, check update demo and dummy. Here the two datasets, demo and dummy. Here update demo and dummy. And in the check dataset, we are getting the dataset with this replace or missing values with this original values. Got it? That is an update meaning. And by name and run. Simply this is an update statement here. Now we run this check dataset. Log is clear. Check. Now we are opening check. You got it here. Here we have a missing value in a social. What is that value? 41. Now here is the Rahul and the social replaced with the 41. And one more thing here, in the Telugu also there is a missing value. But in the demo dataset there is a no Telugu variable. Got it? And it doesn't replace with the any values. Like this, update statement is used to update the observations of one data set with the another data set. And simply here we are just merging these two data set. This is also one type of merging, and while merging we are replaces the missing values with the another dataset values, and they should be in the order of by only. Here if it have a Rahul and a Rahul is there, if that particular variable have a missing value, then only it is replaced by this value. What does it mean here? Missing is there, it doesn't replace with the 41 or anything another number. And same Ravan is there, and here if the value is the missing in a science, then here the value is 21. At this type of situation only it is replaced the observation. We can also using wait condition while update the data set. We can update the single data set also. Here we are updating one data set observation with the another data set and while merging. Got it. But we can also do update in a single observation in a proc SQL. Then how it will be? Data test as help.class, and run. For that I am creating one data set. Test log is clear. Now proc SQL update test. I am just updating test and set age equals to age into 2 and where age equals to 12. You got it. Where age equals to 12, then what it replaced? Age equals age into 2. Select star from test and quit. Simply we are updating test. When we updating a test, when age equals to 12, then it will be replaced by age into 2. Now we are running this. We are checking with the data set. Before that we have to know what values have a 12 observation. Now we are opening SAS help library, and here what are the 12 observations? Here 6, 7. Okay, 6, 7, 10, 16, 6, 7, 10, 16. Remember these numbers. Okay, here 6, 7. Yes, 12 into 2 is a 24, and here 10 is a 24, and here 13 is a 24. And 16 is a 24. We are just update that particular variable by some particular condition, and in the same proc SQL we can apply multiple condition at a time by using update statement. Then for that again I am creating one other data set. I named that sample. Okay, I am running this. Log is clear. Sample proc SQL. I am just applying case when. Already you know in a proc SQL how to apply a case when. Update sample, set age equals to age into, just place empty. Case when age equals to 12, then 2. What does it mean 2 here? Here we are applying 2. The next one, when age equals to 11, then 5, else 1, and end here. Already you learn in a proc SQL how to apply a case when, and simply we are applying case when for the update statement, that to multiple conditions here. If age equals to 12, then into 2. If age equals to 11, then into 5. Got it? And select star from sample. It means I need all the variables here, and quit. Now I am running this. We are opening in the data set. Are you observe here? 6, 7, and here 11 is there, 55, and here 11 is there, 55. Got it? Like this, we can update the particular variable in a data set, or else we can update the missing values in a 2 data set while merging like this by using by statement here. This is the purpose of update statement. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video, and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.